Supercharge your team with ClickTime. ClickTime's highly customizable manager permissions let you delegate important tasks to your staff. ClickTime managers can run reports, manage your active projects, build budgets, and approve or reject timesheets, time off, and expenses, all within ClickTime. ClickTime makes it easy to set up managers with access to the features they need, as well as restrict access to the options they shouldn't use. Empower your team to add new staff, update time entry requirements, and use our employee performance reports to gain deep insight into how their team is performing. Visit ClickTime.com to sign up for a free trial or request a demo, and your staff could be using ClickTime in a matter of minutes. ClickTime, a better way to manage employee performance.